guys, what's up? This is High Tech Brothers, and today we're gonna be drawing a scenery with nothing but crayons. Let's get started. Guys, in this video we're gonna be drawing a scenery with crayons, and it's gonna be awesome. This scenery, as you saw from the thumbnail, the scenery will consist of mountains, water, and some green lands. So let's get started. First, take a brown color crayon from your crayon box, a brown color crayon, and then make a mountain. Guys, this is my brother trying to learn from me. Don't mind, he started new. He's just a beginner, so don't hate him in the comments. Okay, so first draw some mountains from the middle of the page, like this. And then make sure this is not spiky like this. It should be like this curve. And then take it a little under this one. Take like a scale or a pencil and then put it on the mark from where it started. And then make sure that the end of the mountain is under the first part where you started it. Just gonna try it. Get out. Is it raining outside? Is it? Yeah, a little bit downside. Nice. And then when that's done, slowly from the area where you started the first one, a little on top, here, build another mountain. But this mountain should be small because it's back of the big mountain. So it should be small because it's at far. It's not near us. And then this mountain will go till the last. And this is our mountains. And make sure you use the tip of your crayon, not the slanting position, because it's gonna make it like this. So don't do that. Next, decide if you're making in a snowy biome or a normal plains biome. If it's a normal like a Greenland, like there's hills and everything, then you should color this slowly, give it a shading of green. But if it's in a snow biome, you need to make a snow thing. So in my brother's one, I'm going to show you how to make the Greenland one. In this, I'm going to show you how to make the snow one. So please exchange. What? Could you please exchange? I don't know how to shade. Okay, take the snowy one. So to make a Greenland biome first, and guys, if you want to see the snowy biome, just skip to the part of the video written on the screen right now. So to make a Greenland biome, first take a dark green color. After you have taken a dark green color, slowly shade the mountains. But make sure not to shade it too much. It should be a light color because the mountains are pretty black. This should be dark over here because the sun is over here, right? Wait. Drawing really doesn't make sense. Same for this side. You copy me. Why I'm making snowy biome? No. Yeah. Okay. Give me that green color. And guys, if you also have a brother, call him right this instant and tell him to draw with you. It's gonna give you nice self-confidence. And in the middle, you need to do it a little light. Now at the middle, guys, if there is marks like this on your paper, no need to mind it, because it's gonna go the instant we shade it. So take a light green color. This is a dark green. So put this aside, the light green, and be sure to, if you are using a wax crayon, use a wax crayon. No need to change it to a oil pastel in between. So for some shading you could, yeah, if you want to use little bit shading, like do not use it. Use a wax crayon, okay? Shading is wax crayons. Yes. So when you have got a green color, I dropped a pencil. So you need to slowly build a small circle in the middle where there is shading, and then color it fully. And then when you have done that, remove the circle and you slowly build, take it outside. And guys, after that you need to decide if you want to make it a evening like a evening sky or a morning sky. If you want to make a morning sky, just color it all blue and then put the sun in middle, like, and color it yellow. But evening style is more hard. I'm going to show you the evening style, because morning style everybody knows that. Color this mountain, and guys, color one mountain dark green and other little light. Otherwise, it's gonna look a little bad. Kind of use a better crayon because I don't have a tip of one. So when you have done that, you can leave some small spaces of gaps in between, and no need to mind if there's some color outside, because it's gonna make the evening sky completely good. It's gonna look like these are trees in the evening sky. So when you have done that, slowly take a dark green color again, and then you need to build some meadows. And when you have done that, slowly connect them. And when you have done that, color it out. And guys, when you have done that, color it fully. Guys, just pause the video and color it. When you have colored it, it's going to look like this. And when you have done this, slowly take a blue color. Not dark blue, but light blue. Take light blue and then start shading it. This is going to be the water stream. A small water stream. You don't need to make it big. And then, after you have made the water stream outline, slowly cover it with the dark blue. And be sure to make it like waves on top and down, and it's gonna look realistic. Normally I don't add water into my drawings, it's because I don't like putting water in it. Doesn't look kind of nice. Guys, draw some trees also. Yeah. Like this, just do this. Like this, like this, and then draw a top thingy. And then cover it like this, and then put round thing, just make a line. Done. That's tree. When you have done that, slowly take an orange color. After taking an orange color, put it aside and start shading it in. Keep in mind, it's not followed by a tutorial. You not use a tutorial. You never did use a tutorial. I did. I did use a tutorial. Okay. I used tutorials to make many of my drawings, but only me. Okay. Now, after you have done a little shading, take yellow color and then make an outline of the sun. Remember, the sun is circle. Don't try to make it oval. It's not gonna look nice. First shade the full sun yellow. Wait. My brother made better than me. Guys, yellow is my favorite color. Comment down below which is your favorite color.
Ink yellow, because it looks super clean, like someone just printed it. Look how good that looks.
And then slowly shade it with orange. And then after I take the red color and make like a tornado. And that's the sun. And then make it outline. My brother literally made way better than me. This is like animated.
Excellent.
And now, no need to add rays into your drawing. Like, some people tend to add like this rays. That's bad. It's going to make your drawing worse. When you have done that, take red color and then outline it. Not a dark but light. After making it light, you can turn on the light. And then color it orange as the second layer. After coloring orange as the second layer, we can color the last layer by yellow. And guys, when you have done the shading, then you need to shade the yellow more at the outsides. And all the things at the near of the sun should be in dark, not light. Then we need red. And then when that's done, slowly then take red and after you are taking red, and guys, if you want, use a tissue paper to mix in everything, like this one. There is actually a hack, like you can merge the things in your drawing. Take a tissue paper and then rub it on your drawing.
Let me show you with the oil pastel.
It works better with oil pastels because oil pastels are not that good to stick to the paper.
Look, here it is. Yes, I'm just going to rub it here. Rub it. Rub it. It rubs everything. See? Now rub it. Rub everywhere.
And guys, that's it for this episode. If you want, then you can make some trees here. And now, that's it. So guys, like and subscribe. More videos coming right up. Bye.
हाँ मैं ना
Now slow.